Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Kwamboka Judith. Today I'm going to show you a simple way on how to braid your baby's hair. This is for beginners, and to note, I'm not a professional, but I'm going to show you a simple way how to braid your baby's hair before she reaches an age where you can take her to the salon. So it's best that you use a Brazilian wool, because for the braids, for a beginner, the braids slides, they're slippery, but the Brazilian hair touches the hair very well. It's firm, it's not slippery like the braids. So first, you find something. I used my arm to measure the length that I want, then you cut it off. So you can even use a chair. You can use anything to cut the Brazilian wool. So let's start the braiding. Before you start the braiding, make sure that you apply oil to the baby's hair for moisturizing it. Don't worry guys, I'm going to show you a slow way where you will see it clearly how to braid that hair. If you are interested on how to know how to braid your baby's hair, please stay till the end and learn something. And if you learn something at the end of the video, please comment below. And if you have tried this style, please comment down below so that we can share the experience together. The kids are always stubborn when you're braiding their hair, so just have something that can distract them. You can give them something like Cocomelon to watch, so that they can be distracted. Make sure you take 7 strands of the Brazilian hair so that they can be easy to separate. But if you need the larger braiding, you can take the amount of the Brazilian hair, wool or strands that you need. Note, this braiding is painless and is good for your baby skin because it's tender and very soft. So I'll recommend this braiding style. After braiding, make sure that you tie the end with a knot so that it cannot come out.